Thank you. You know, so guys, we're gonna keep pushing because we have a deadline to work with.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull. But you know the drill. Before we do, go and subscribe, and remember there's a free cash giveaway, guys. Your first place get 10,000. Can read that the so said way, and you're gonna see everything going free to enter. Anybody can win. Here's me, lots of giveaway over $20,000. Here's me, just follow Quantum X, click that link in my bio, and everything good.
All right, guys. Update, because this is gonna be a quick video, not gonna be long. Just wanted, because today's the 11th month, you know, and the 7th, I just said that I needed to do an update. Not much has changed. We're still trying to raise the funds for that transfer. You know, the donations not coming in as we would have liked, but we're giving thanks because we know God is a miracle working God, and whenever it seems as if there is no way, He always makes a way. Whenever it seems as if our back is against the wall, He always pulls us through it. You understand? So it doesn't matter what it seems like. We might not be where we want to be now, but that doesn't mean we're not going to be where we need to be. I know God is going to do the impossible. I know He's going to make a way. I know He's going to do it for us. The same way He has done it before. He has done it many, many times, time and time again. And I know, you know, He's going to do it, you know, because we have a God that never fails. He says He's the I am. You know, He is everything. He is, you know, He says, I am the I am. And, you know, He keeps reminding me whenever I start to feel, you know, a bit doubtful or a bit anxious or a little bit, you know, He keeps reminding me I am the I am. So I just gotta trust God as much as I trust, well, more than I trust myself, I should say, you know. So she's stable. She is a bit on the moody side, because, you know, she's frustrated. You know, some days better than some. As I said yesterday, she was teary. Today she's fine, complaining of headaches, but other than that, other than the headache, she's pretty much in good spirits. And, you know, still joking around, still kidding around, still the jovial Kaylan that we know. Camille, James, Darisha. Hi, Darisha. You know, we're thankful. We're thankful because God brought us a long, long way. And, you know, I spoke to a doctor today, and he was so encouraging. You know, it was a breath of fresh air that he's on the upper side and not the bottom side or the lower side of the latter. He's more optimistic. You know, he believes that she will pull through, as I had always believed that she would pull through. I never doubted that part, because my mind would not conceive anything else. My mind would not allow me to think otherwise than she would make it, because I chose that. I chose life for her, right? And she chose life for herself, because life with Shy Queen. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Janique. You know, she chose life for herself. We have to choose life. No matter how hard it may seem, no matter how difficult, you know, things may look, we have to make the choice to say, hey, I'm not going to succumb to this. I'm not going to let it bring me down. Hi, Jada. Hi, Kaylan. Right? I'm not going to let my circumstances be the final or the end of me. We have to push, because sometimes just the will to live, just the will to go on, the will to move forward will make a huge difference, right? So we have to choose life, you know. We have to choose a life. Life with Shy Queen. I'll be making a donation. God bless you, my dear. You know, one thing, even I said on the last live, you know, even though I said to persons, you know, no matter how small, as she spoke about the donation, no matter how small the donation is, you know, as small as even $10 or $15, we would like for people to give more so that we can reach the target in the designated time frame that we have to work with, right? So if you can go right ahead and give more, no problem. The person that said she wanted to give, the Cash App and everything is RJ. You're supposed to have every Cash App, every information. If you can go ahead and post them, that will be fine. Not sure if Angela is on. Let me check to see if she's on. Rise. Yes, Tara. J, rise. She will rise. I'm on YouTube. I send you a message? I'm on YouTube. All right. Yes, Garfield. I am keeping the faith. I am holding on to God. I'm not letting anything deter me, no matter, you know. So I can get Cash App because I'm in USA. All right, Cash App is Sponsor and Justice for Kaylan. Angela is getting on to post them. RJ just posted. I guess someone saying thank you. You know, so guys, we're gonna keep pushing because we have a deadline to work with, right? We have a deadline to work with, and we're gonna keep. And Angela says, I'm here. You know what to do, Angela. Post your, where do you see someone asking about donations? So guys, oh, next week Friday, I'm gonna do a cake sale. We're just trying to brainstorm whatever ideas you guys have too that we can do to make this happen. Do a live on Facebook. I will do a live on Facebook tomorrow because I already I'm already halfway through this live because I'm not gonna be long. I will do a live on Facebook tomorrow. And I'm also trying to work out my days because I want to do 1 or 2 days per week for Bible, for the persons asking about the Bible study. I want to do at least 1 or 2 weeks per day. I am trying to see which day is best for me, where I have more time, you know, at least can give an hour into Bible study, into worship, into, you know, just talking about how good God is. If it's even, I want to do 1 Bible study, 1 testimony service. I want to do a testimony service where you can call in, and where you can call in and give your testimony so you can encourage somebody else. Because I have a lot of testimonies, right? Cheryl, we are doing all that we can do at the moment. Right. All right. I will send you all the info, sis. Right? We are trying. We're just trying. We can't give up, you know, guys. It might seem like an impossible task, but we can't give up. Because she didn't give up and God didn't give up. And if he didn't think that it was possible, it wouldn't be in front of us. And if he does not see it fit, then he will make a way. He will make additional provisions. He will, you know, give us other options to choose from. So, you know, God works in mysterious ways and he does things on his own timing and he does things differently. Right? Cheryl, who could help? A lot of people can help, but it's up to people to help if they want to help. We can't force anybody to help. We wish a lot more people would try and help. She didn't put herself in this situation. I didn't put her in this situation, right? But it does not change the fact that it already happened. Irrespective of how it happened, when it happened, it already did. And she's already in the situation. So the most we can do is just do our part and do our best, right? And I am so grateful. I'm so grateful for, you know, the persons who have been supporting us with the prayers. So grateful for the persons who've been supporting us with financial support. You know, persons who have donated diapers. I've had persons donate diapers, wipes, A&D ointments, all these things we have donated. I got the other day someone donated an entire box with linen, bed linen, diapers, undergarments, you know, toiletries and stuff for her. And, you know, we're grateful. We're grateful. I got, you know, they donated Ensure, and, you know, I have these things at, you know, so that she can have them. So we're grateful for whatever. Because remember, you know, I don't give nobody nothing to put down. So whatever we are blessed with, I have to be thankful and grateful for it. And I pray God, you know, return the favor tenfold. You understand? Whatever you donate, I pray God turn it over and turn your situations around so that you can have more. More, not for me, but more for others. Because there are a lot of persons out there who are in need. A lot more persons out there who are down, who are sick, who are, you know, who are in need of help. So it's not just me that I want to be blessed. I want everybody to be blessed. As much as you can give, give. Also going to do a luncheon and a cake sale for Kaylan.